Everybody, welcome to Timeless Fluid Art. This is Jenise. To go over what I did yesterday, I had made this another day, let it dry. It dries like leather. And then I added the domes using the glue diamond glaze. Okay? So each of the dome pieces are stuck to the leather type material now. Now, all you have to do is cut them out. So I'll do a couple here, show you. All right, here's another one. Now I cut on an angle, so you are cutting just a little bit beneath. If I can see what this is, I have to take my glasses off to do it. Yeah. So you're cutting a little bit on the angle, so it's going under the actual item. Hard to describe it, but you know, I go on an angle. Okay, this way it's guaranteed to fit into your container. Now this one here has an overlapping of, well, just a little bit of, okay, that's perfect. All right, you see that? Now this will go into a square one, which I may, let me see, do I want to put it in the silver one? I have two ones here, let me see, and I guess they're all the silver here. These are all silver. Now then you have to figure out, do you want it going this way? Do you want it going the other way? Which way do you want to do it? I kind of like up and down, actually. So if that's the case, that's where that one's gonna go, that's where that one's gonna go. And then I have the teardrop shape. And you just cut again on an angle. Okay. And this is pretty thick paint that I have here. So it takes a little bit just to get through when there's any kind of glue. Now it's got to go a little bit more on the angle. Okay. Now let me see, teardrop, I have the bronze, so let me see. And this one has a little bit of overlapping of here. You can see. I have to cut it more on an angle. And if you can't get it, you can also use sandpaper on it. Get a little piece over here too. And we'll try this again. You want it to fit snug as a bug in the rug. This could really go deeper in, so let me take it out and cut more on this side. Actually, I'm gonna use some of the sandpaper I have right here. Okay, now you're just sanding some of the actual paint. And color it. Okay. Hard for you to see, but you get the idea. And this side too has a little bit of, the teardrop is really the only one that's giving me grief here. Now let me see. Let me see if I can go it this way first. All right. Okay, now we have to glue them in. So there's your 3 different designs. The heart shape, the teardrop, the square. So now you open up your E6000. Okay. And I'm going to push some of the glue up on top here. So that's fine. All right, now it's good. So I'm going to do a little bit in here. Doesn't take a lot, just a little bit. It's stringy. And then you can use a stick to maneuver it a little bit so you get on the edges. Hope you can see that. All right, and then we place this in here. And always keep a alcohol prep to wipe off any excess and get rid of any kind of fingerprints. Okay. Kind of put too much in there, but it's really thick. And I'm squeezing it to get the excess out. But if it does seep out, it is very easy to get rid of because it like rips right off. Okie dokie. And I can press it down. Okay. I don't feel it's going to go anywhere now. And that one's done. Put that over there. Sometimes these will stick by themselves, but it's not permanent. You have to make sure you always have a little glue. It's really thick. I wish I had my new one yet. Okay. I hear a dove. I think we have another dove nest in the back. We have a gutter right outside. And they like to build a nest right in the gutter, but it's in the, here you go. It's in the corner, so nothing touches it, so it's great. All right, this is what we figure up and down. Where do I want to, this is the hardest part too, trying to figure which way you want to go. Let me try this other way. I think I like it still up and down. Yeah, alrighty. And you put a little dabble do on here. And spread it around. I mean, there's these things, this glue will stick it, no problem. So, not like you even need a lot. Okay, and up and down we go. Okay, and squeeze it in. Alrighty, so that's all you need to do, and then you have to put a necklace on. So I have some silver necklaces, which I'm just going to use. Don't know where they are at the moment. I rearranged everything, and once I rearrange something, I have no idea where anything is, so it's crazy. All right, I'm gonna put this lid back on, and I'm gonna also use the straight pen to seal it, so it won't dry up anymore. All right, so there you have, there's 3 necklaces. Now I have at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more to go. And then I'll be done. But I'm not going to do filming, so you've got the idea. Okay, so there's 1. I'll go down here. I'll take you down so you can see close up. The 3 different styles. Your square, your heart, and your teardrop. So I'm going to move this out of the way. Move it more up here. Move the junk out of the way. I have to clean this whole area up here. This goes here, that goes there. All right, hold on.